What if the heartbeat of American trucking still beats under a red valve cover? The Cummins ISX-15 isn't just an engine, it's a force. A thunderous, high-torque legacy that shaped skylines and hauled the backbone of the economy for decades. It's a name etched into steel, respected in diesel shops, and whispered on CB radios across every mile marker in America. But here's the burning question. In 2025, is the ISX-15 still king of the long haul? Or has the crown begun to slip? Let's dive deep, because the road to that answer is anything but straight. The ISX-15 is a 15-liter inline-six that was never designed to play nice. It was built to dominate. With outputs soaring up to 605 horsepower and torque peaking at a colossal 2,050 pound-feet, this engine doesn't ask for permission. It commands obedience. It was made for pulling heavy loads, annihilating gradients, and clocking brutal cross-country miles with mechanical swagger. But brute force without finesse is just noise. What separates the ISX-15 is its evolved intelligence. Smart torque? It's not just a gimmick. This tech senses load weight and terrain, adjusting output on the fly, giving you the perfect power balance whether you're climbing a mountain pass or gliding across the plains. And when you combine that with ADEPT and predictive cruise control, you're not just operating a truck, you're operating a smart, dynamic powertrain that's reading the road ahead. It's not old-school brute, it's modern muscle with brains. And Cummins knows downtime is the devil. The ISX-15 is built for uptime warriors, with service intervals stretched up to 75,000 miles and an architecture that puts maintenance where it belongs, in the fast lane. Every inch of it screams, designed by people who've actually turned a wrench. Still, let's pump the brakes for a second. The ISX-15 has its battle scars. The emission systems, yeah, they've been a source of late-night cussing and roadside diagnostics. The EGR, the DPF, the unexpected region at the worst possible moment. If you've run one, you've felt the sting. But 2025 changed the game. The latest ISX-15 is leaner, cleaner, and far less temperamental. Regans are less frequent, failures are down, and diagnostics are tighter and smarter. And here's the real plot twist. Cummins isn't stopping there. There's a storm brewing in the engineering labs. The future ISX platform is being forged right now, hybrid capable, compatible with renewable diesel, and whispering the possibility of near-zero emissions without sacrificing performance. The red engine might be going green, and it's doing it without giving up a single ounce of muscle. But if you think the ISX-15 is running unchallenged, think again. Paccar's MX-13, Detroit's DD-15, and Mac's MP-8 are sharpening their claws. And the ultimate question still hangs in the air. Can the ISX-15 hold its ground in a trucking industry that's transforming faster than ever? Because in our next video, we're pitting these giants against each other in a no-holds-barred, torque versus tech, durability versus dollar shootout. Who's the real king of the Class 8 hill? You'll want to see it. But for now, sound off in the comments. Have you put the ISX-15 to the test? Is it still your ride or die engine, or has it lost your trust? Hit that like button if you've ever redlined an ISX uphill, and smash subscribe if you're ready to see how this battle of diesel legends plays out. Until next time, keep it loud, keep it proud, and always keep it diesel.